It is, what is today? Tuesday? Tuesday, the day before Christmas Eve. Christmas Eve Eve. Joe is sanding away, actually scuffing it up so we can give it the final coat and then clear this puppy and get it ready.
Get it out of here.
Yeah. This way Mr. Roy doesn't kill us because we're already late twice. But we just keep finding more stuff. Hey, what can I tell you? I'm OCD and I'm not letting someone go out that I don't like. Pretty much that's the way it is. Now, we also got the new motor mounts in on the Bronco, which is really cool because now that we got the motor mounts in, we may have to drill one more hole because I don't think it's in right. But once we do that, then we're just going to build him a cross member, put the AC in, and put the rest of the motor together. We've discussed with Mr. Scott the chance of putting a serpentine system on here, which I think will be the best thing to do. This way we can eliminate a lot of the components that stick out. Our only issue that I'm not sure how we're going to solve yet, but I'm working on it. Look how close that is. That's not very far from the steering, so I'm afraid that that's going to hit when we put the manifolds, or the exhaust manifolds, that and that filter housing. Damn, that thing is close. So I may see if I can find a 90-degree, and that way we're all ready to go. So it's getting there. All right, guys, we'll be out of here until, well, we're closing down probably until January 2nd, right after New Year's Day. And we're taking a break because we need one. And we'll kind of go from there. You guys have a happy holiday, and we'll see you then next year.